Hey friends, so today we're going to make this viral trending video with just 3-4 ingredients. I have left with a lots of dates over Ramadan, so I try to use them as a dessert. This is really the simplest dessert ever that is made. That's why I believe it's viral on the internet right now. If your dates are with seeds, you first need to take them out. So I'm gonna take a baking tray, a small baking tray. It's around 24 to 10 probably. But you can actually adjust the measurements. It doesn't matter. You can adjust as you wish. So we will put our dates as shown on the video on the baking sheet. Once you're done with filling the dates on the tray, we will put another baking sheet on top of them and squeeze with a glass or anything heavy to make all the dates even. I also want to mention, for me it took, for this size, it took around 22 pieces of the dates. Then I'm gonna take some peanut butter. My peanut butter is crunchy, but it doesn't matter, of course, if it's crunchy or if it's creamy. We will melt the peanut butter in microwave. Spread the peanut butter all over the dates and fill all the gaps inside. You can also actually try some other type of nut paste, maybe like pistachio, or maybe you can use also lotus paste from Biscoff. Yes, so you can make your own experiments. Then I'm gonna add a layer of cut cashew nuts. You can use any other nuts of your choice. Also, after that, the second layer, we will melt milk chocolate. I'm melting it in microwave. If you don't have microwave, just put the chocolate package inside the hot water and it will melt inside and you can use it. Also, if you don't like milk chocolate, for example, you can also use white chocolate or dark chocolate. I'm going to sprinkle more cashew on top of our sweets. Sprinkle as much as you want. And then I will put it in the fridge for about 30 minutes. I'm gonna remove it from our baking sheet after 30 minutes that it stayed in the fridge. Then I'm gonna start cutting it. I will cut it for like 12 pieces. The pieces are going to be a little bit big, but you can just adjust and cut smaller pieces as well to make it for more people. And also, if it's hard to cut them, you can just warm the knife in warm water because the dates are hard and sticky. So to make it comfortable to cut, you can just warm the knife. These bars taste exactly like Snickers. Like, I cannot believe that they are super same way. Thank you for watching, dear friends, and we'll see you soon, inshallah.
Было очень вкусно.